Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now. Remove as much wet paint as you can by scraping and combing the bristles. Once done, select the appropriate solvent, water for latex, mineral spirits, or dedicated brush cleaner for oil-based, because matching solvent preserves bristle shape. Put on gloves and work over a protected sink or tray to contain spills. Dip the brush only to the ferrule, then agitate gently to release paint. Keep your movements controlled. This protects bristles and prevents solvent splatter onto surfaces. Now continue the process by deep cleaning and restoring bristle alignment. You should swirl the brush in fresh solvent repeatedly until the liquid runs clear. Changing solvent prevents redepositing paint. Once most paint is out, comb the bristles from ferrule to tip with a brush comb or an old fork to dislodge trapped residue and realign hairs. Then wash with warm soapy water to remove solvent traces, followed by a cold rinse to close the cuticle. Make sure to finish, reshape the bristles to their original point or edge and dry the brush flat or hanging with the tip pointing down to maintain shape and prevent water in the ferrule. Once dry, store upright in a holder or in a protective cover. Never rest the brush on its tip. If bristles become stiff or remain tacky, re-soak briefly in the correct solvent, comb and repeat the wash. This single troubleshooting tip restores usability without damaging the brush.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.